Welcome to the channel, guys. We're out here hitting some gravel road. Look at that creek, man. She is flat rocking on. That is cool. Like I said, we've gotten a lot of rain lately, and that is pretty neat. Yeah, you don't get to see that often. Especially on this creek down here. There's might be several of these kind of areas down here like that. We'll just ride around down here and find out. You don't know until you get out on an adventure and go, you know. That's got water holding in it, so we've gotten a lot of rain there for that to happen. Because that's not a pond, I'll promise you that. I just wanted to get out and go for a ride, you know. Didn't want to ride in town. I like the little country setting. The only way you're going to find that's a gravel road, so go hit the gravel roads and check things out, you know. Got the old Zumo XT going. It's kind of leading me along here. See those nice little paths on the road? We can actually bump this up where you can see the little more detail, and then I can kind of slide it around there if I wanted, you know, see where we're at. I kind of like having a little bit of space on there so I can get a better idea farther down the road. This says we are on Wedgewood Road ahead. Never heard of it. I tell you, the weather we have right now, I would really think that you could find some serious mushrooms. And I'm not a big fan of snakes, so you're probably not going to get me out there in them woods looking for mushrooms. I'd have to have me one of them there scatter guns if I go out there. Just don't like snakes at all. There's an upset puppy dog. He don't want me in his area. No, he's going to chase me. Well, we'll leave a little dust here. Sorry, puppy dog. You're not going to chase me. Looks like we got another creek up here. Even the ditch lines have got water in them. Oh yeah, it's flowing pretty good too. I've seen a day where the water's been over this road before. And I tell you what, it was some serious rushing water at that time. That is neat. We've needed some rain down here for quite a while. Well, let's go see if there's any more. I'm sure we'll find something. We got potholes with water in them. See a muddy corner. Stay to the right, stay out of the mud. Don't get your hay dudes dirty. This old boy's little driveway probably gets wet from time to time. Little miniature bridge here. She got some water flowing through it. Looks like one of them old storm cellars. In case you get that tornado, you jump in that dude. What's that say? Riley Lynn Cemetery? Seriously? Maybe we should go check that out. Should or should not? Don't know. Let's go up there. We got a pretty rough little drive, so I didn't know there was a cemetery up here. Well, sure enough, check that out. Riley Lamb. An old cemetery. I did not know this existed. Pretty crazy. Yeah. You got to put the people somewhere, you know? Clear one way, clear the next. Let's take off. As far as I know, everything on this bike is pretty much stock. And when I say that, I'm referring to sprockets, chain. I mean, with this many miles, it can't really have that much changed on it unless somebody was to buy it and just start automatically doing mods. This old boy seemed to be like, yeah, it's been a real good bike. We ain't done nothing to it really. So I'm going to assume that everything's still pretty. Ooh, get my feet up. That's wet. Don't want my hay dudes muddy. All right. The bike, you know, it rides really good. And everybody talks about soft suspensions. I mean, that's kind of a Honda thing, you know. I mean, you can't hold it against the bike. I know a buddy of mine, he's done a little modification on his front forks, which if I'm planning on, you know, really getting off-road and beating the bike up at my weight, I probably will do that. Rear shock and, you know, maybe do that little front spring kit thing. But right now, this bike, it don't need it. I'm pretty content with it for what I do, you know. Look at that old house. That could probably be turned into a nice home again. A little bit of elbow grease, a little sweat labor. You get a lot of those. My wife and I watched this young lady up north. Her name's Tia. I believe it's Tia Weston on YouTube. And that little lady, she's a go-getter. She'll find them little houses like that right there and put a little money in it. Turned out to be a pretty nice home, you know. We'll roll around this bend and see where it goes. Hello there, Chevy truck. What's this creek doing? Is she flowing good? Wow, this one isn't really flowing all that much. Kind of slow. Now, this one over here is doing good though. Oh yeah. She's flowing real good. Old water's searching where to go. Got several holes that ain't even got up in yet. You can see these little culverts. They'll have to blow out some debris, but once it gets up higher, she'll blow through there. Somebody put down some fresh gravel. Won't be long, there'll be some farmers out here on these roads planting these little fields. We got a big old vine right here blowing out here in the road. I could probably almost catch it. Whop! I got it. Where does this come out at? Well, I'm gonna find out, ain't I? Well, we got to see a couple water crossings, guys. Nothing over the road yet. Maybe we get down here and might find a smaller one that's just blowed out, you know? You never do know. Went over to Warsaw today and took care of oh well, we're back to Blacktop. I know exactly where we're at. That there is Z Highway. Took care of a propane bill that I tried to pay the other day on the Gold Wing and they were closed. So I went over there today and got that taken care of. And I really wanted to ride the Gold Wing, but I wasn't going to do that in the rain. Just wasn't going to happen. Here's another creek. Impassable during high water. Well, let's see how high the water's getting. She's a flowing. She's a flowing. That much we can say. I say we can go down there. Let's do it. Oh yeah. Well guys, you got to see a couple creeks. I'm back on the Blacktop, and I know as soon as I get up there and get to going, the old wind noise is going to pick up and it's kind of outdrown my video. So we'll go ahead and end the video here today. I want to thank you for watching my 300L content, me out playing around. And again, as always, if you like that content, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. and that notification bell, and you'll be notified when I put out a new video. You guys have a great day. Catch you on the next video. Right on.